Okay, so we bought this George Foreman grill on Amazon, and we've used it a few times, and we really like it. It's a little bit of a learning curve. Like the first time we used it to make chicken, cooked a little bit longer than should have been, but next time we'll just cook it for a little bit less. And the thing I like about this one in particular is it has removable grates. And one of the things about the George Foreman grill is a lot of people don't like it because it's hard to clean. And these ones, you just have clips and you just push down and they come out on the top and the bottom. And then you just clean it. And obviously you want to let this cool off for about an hour after you cook and be able to handle it. And it has these little pegs on the bottom to keep the food from sliding down. And it has this tray, this drip tray for when you're cooking. So any of the grease or anything that comes down will be caught into the strip tray that fits in there so it doesn't move. And the one thing about this is it doesn't have adjustable legs on it. So we noticed when you're making like something that you want it to be flat, like a grilled cheese, in order to keep it from sliding down. My husband actually made this board, and so you put this underneath here and it'll keep it in place. So that way when I make the grilled cheese, I don't have to worry about it sliding off, and there's not going to be any grease or anything coming out. So that's just a little bit of a adjustment we made to it. He made that last night. The other thing we made on this that was really good was a steak. We made a ribeye steak. And so today I'm going to make a grilled cheese just to keep it simple, start out, and then we'll make some more videos on cooking and giving the cooking times of, how long each item needs to cook for. It doesn't have a temperature gauge, so basically when you plug it in, the light goes red, and then when it turns green, then you know that it's ready, it's warm enough to cook. So I'm going to make my first video making a grilled cheese, and thanks for watching. There'll be a series of different items we're cooking.